The Aihand 20-inch surface cleaner with a pressure rating of 4,000 pounds per square inch is a versatile cleaning tool designed for both professional and household use. Thanks to its impressive 20-inch diameter, this pressure washer surface cleaner can significantly reduce cleaning time, making it ideal for large areas like driveways, decks, patios, and sidewalks. The Aihand pressure washer is universally compatible, pairing seamlessly with a wide range of gas and electric power washer brands. It features a robust construction designed with corrosion-resistant heavy-duty brass and stainless steel, and includes 4 swivel rubber casters for smooth movement across surfaces. This high-pressure washer floor scrubber can clean up to 1,000 square feet per hour, delivering a streak-free cleaning experience with its stainless rotary nozzles. Despite its cleaning prowess, this pressure washer floor attachment is safer than turbo or regular nozzles, ensuring surface protection during cleaning.